An iPad that will respond to your normal day-to-day needs and won't break the bank. Let's take a look at iPad Generation 7. Hi, my name is Rosita and welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at iPad Generation 7. We will go through its unboxing and we will review its features. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you would get notified when we upload new videos. Let's dive into it. For what this device has to offer, it has a reasonable price. The model that we have here has a space gray color and comes with a 32GB storage. It also supports both Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity. iPad Gen 7 has a 10.2-inch form factor, which makes it perfect for day-to-day functions and tasks. It is big enough for note-taking, drawing, web browsing, watching videos, and consuming media content. It provides a decent gaming experience too. This device supports Apple Pencil, which is great so that you can exploit Apple Pencil benefits and features on a budget iPad. This iPad also has great battery life. Depending on what you use it for, the battery can last for a full day. iPad Gen 7 has the Apple's Smart Connector, which means you can connect it to accessories like Apple's Smart Keyboard or other supported accessories directly without using a Bluetooth connection. Therefore, you would get a longer battery performance from the device. Although this device uses an M10 chip, which is more than 3 years old now, still it gives a very nice iPadOS experience. You can get a smooth multitasking performance from it. At the end of the day, iPad Generation 7 is an entry-level iPad. It has been designed to be responsive for day-to-day usage. Some say it's an equivalent version to iPhone SE if we compare the iPad family to iPhone family. Let me know in the comment section below what is the tablet that you use for day-to-day usage, or if you have any experience using iPad Gen 7. If you have got value out of this video, remember to hit the like button. If you have not already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you would get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video.